So 300 hedge funds moved out of New York City and now are domiciled in Miami, Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, etc. So that's just one data point that shows you that capital is on the move.
Yes. And that's the capital that pays a lot of the bills here.
Yeah.
And so that is now being reflected, I think, gradually in the muni bond prices. You're starting to see, listen, New York City muni bond prices should be going higher. And here's why. Because if the mayor wasn't nuts, right, and he's raising some taxes, you buy them because they offer triple tax-free protection, right?
Correct.
Your gains are protected from state, local, U.S. taxes if you're domiciled here.
Right.
So people should be buying this stuff.
Right.
As all things being equal,
Right.
if he's raising some taxes, but if you're a socialist and you think, okay, the other side of the equation, and plus New York City muni bonds do have some protections. I think they get first dibs on
That's right.
on certain taxes, right?
That's
Passed during the financial crisis.
right.
That's how you got people to buy them again.
That's exactly right.
So you put those two together, you should have people buying these things, not selling. But I think people just so worried that Mondami's so nuts that he's so communistic. Is that a word? Communistic?
Yes.
Socialistic? That I don't think that's a word, but we might as well coin it here and on risk and return. But that they're starting to bail. I see it every week. Now, maybe it'll change next week, but there was a pop in yields, 12 basis points. By the way, if you can't sell your muni debt, or if you have to pay more, that's kind of that leads to insolvency too. That's one of the problems the U.S. government has. If we ever run into a problem where we can't buy our debt, I mean, the dollar collapses, the country collapses.
Right.
Okay.
One thing I just want to add one thing. So we've been looking at the longer term ETFs, the bond ETFs, TLT, et cetera. There's no short positions in those bonds. So one of the things that we always like to highlight to folks is when short positions disappear, generally there's an air pocket to the downside.